We are done with Module 1, 2, and 3. Now let's proceed with Module 4, Lesson Planning Plus. When we ask ourselves, how can I deal with any problems? This relates to which components of a lesson plan, potential solutions. Which of the following is an example of a personal aim to reduce teacher talking time? Which of these stages should come first? Listen to conversation between a waitress and customer. If you wanted to develop your own understanding of language, which of the following reference materials would you use? Grammar for English Language Teachers by Martin Parrott. Course books should always prepare students for a particular exam. False. When we are thinking about the assumed knowledge component of a lesson plan, we ask ourselves, what is the purpose of the lesson? False. Which of the following is not an example of a teaching aid course book? Read 2 stages from a lesson plan and choose the best next step. Students listen to a radio interview. Students listen again and answer the 4 multiple choice questions. Students check answers in pair before feeding back. Which of the following option is incorrect? The overhead projector can be used to practice dialogues. Which of the following are examples of supplementary materials? Take all that apply. Graded reader, games, videos, and DVDs.